In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Behance service. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, showcasing your services on Behance can be a great way to reach new clients and maximize your creative potential. So let's dive in and get your services up and running on this amazing platform. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Behance at behance.net. This is your starting point, the homepage of one of the largest creative networks in the world, offering you a vast audience of potential customers eager to discover the services you provide. Now that you're on the home page, move your cursor over the section labeled Share Work at the top of the page. As you hover, a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select Service. This action will guide you into the realm where you'll create and manage your professional services. Once you've clicked Service, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about what you offer. Here, you'll fill in the essential details that describe your service meticulously. This is key, as this information helps potential clients understand exactly what you can provide. You'll then be asked to add a service name. Be specific and creative here. A captivating and accurate service name is the first step in catching the attention of potential clients. Once that's in place, it's time to describe your service. This is your chance to go into detail, highlighting what sets your work apart and why someone should choose you over the competition. Make sure to articulate every benefit and feature clearly. Next, specify your delivery time. Clients appreciate knowing how soon they can expect the results, and clarity here can set realistic expectations and build trust. Follow this up by defining the number of concepts you'll provide. This conveys the flexibility and creativity prospect clients can expect from you. Then, add the number of revisions included. Offering ample revisions can reassure clients of your commitment to meeting their exact needs, fostering a good relationship from the outset. Following this, select the relevant categories for your service. Accurate categorization ensures your service reaches the right audience, enhancing visibility. Now, it's time to set your pricing. Consider the value you bring and what compensates fairly for your expertise and effort. Once pricing is set, you'll need to illustrate your work with examples. Click on Add Examples from Behance. Select an example from your portfolio that best represents your service. After selecting your examples, confirm by clicking Add Selection. These visual examples are crucial as they enrich your service description with proven work samples that can convince clients of your capability and style. Finally, with all this information in place, you're ready to unveil your service. Click on Create Service, and just like that, you've successfully created a Behance service. Your offering is now live, ready to attract and assist clients who resonate with your unique capabilities. And that concludes our guide on setting up a Behance service. With your services effectively showcased, you're well on your way to expanding your reach and growing your creative business. Happy creating!